What's up guys, welcome to Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the spare tire on a 2008 Jeep Liberty. Now the process is really simple. You just have to open right here. And now we're going to go in this section right here. You have to open this. And put it on the side. And you have to remove this guy. Oops. Put it on the side. You can remove the jack. And we're going to get this guy. We're going to need this one. And this one. There's also two more right here where you can use those to remove the tire. In this case, we're just removing the spare tire. So I'll show you. Now what you have to do is you have to open this right here and put it on the side. And this is where we're going to work right here. So you open this. Now you're going to take this part right here. And we're going to put this part with the hole right there. Now the spare tire is located underneath, it's right here. So now what we have to do is use the L-shaped one, put it right here. And now what you have to do is just turn to the left, and you're going to see the tire dropping off. All right, and as you can see, it's all the way at the bottom. Now you just have to remove this part right here. Like this. And there we go. As easy as that, you just remove the spare tire. And once you finish, you can just turn all the way to the right clockwise if you want to pull this all the way up. Because if you leave it like that, it's gonna hit the floor and it's gonna make a weird sound. So alright guys, this was just a quick video showing you how to remove the spare tire. I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please just leave a like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace.